Hey, good morning. Welcome to my new classroom. I just wanted to give you some things to think about on this first day. But as you can see up here, this is my whiteboard now. And what I'm about to show you on the Moodle page, I've kind of written down up here so you kind of get an idea for what I'm about to show you. But every day you're going to be doing either two or three things. You're going to do an attendance quiz every day, and you're going to do a lesson every day. And then you may have homework, but we'll worry about that more later on. There will be a test at the end of each unit. More on that later. For now, don't even worry about that. We're going to take this very slowly. This thing right here, it says C equals 300 million meters per second. This is the answer to your first question on the day one attendance quiz. You get 5 points just for writing this number down in the attendance quiz. The attendance quizzes are going to be every day. They're going to be short, and they're going to have a video. Actually, day one is the video you're watching right now, where you click on it, you get the agenda for the day. I'll show you instructions on how to get to the activities in the lesson for each day. It'll be information, and then you answer a simple question and hit submit. That 5 points counts as your packet grade. I'm not collecting packets in this online learning model. So that's how you get your 10%. You do those attendance quizzes every day. And that gives you credit for attendance, so you won't be marked absent. And it also gives you that 5 points, that 10% of your grade. The lesson each day is going to be worth 10 points, and that does your Moodle assignment for the day. They're going to start out kind of shorter, and they might get a little bit longer and a little bit more difficult as we go. But for now, I'm trying to make it nice and easy so that everybody does it and gets a feel for this. It's kind of like the first day of school all over again. So day one, you'll have this quiz, you'll have this lesson. That's it. There's not going to be any homework. I'm going to show you what the Moodle page looks like right now. Tuesday is the 31st. This is our first day two back. So if you look at these two boxes, they're the same. If you have day two, then you're going to be clicking on this stuff. If you have day one, then you're going to be clicking on this stuff, but they are the same. Notice you have no homework for these 2 days. After that, you may have some small homework assignments. So when I told you you'd be doing 2 or 3 things each day, the homework will start to kick in as we get a little bit more used to this. But the first 2 days are going to be real short and easy. You're going to click on this, and it's going to take you to a quiz, and all you got to do is check yes. There's going to be a short video, and then type in the answer. Now, I just gave you the answer on our previous little clip, which is the speed of light. So it's 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros, and it's speed, so it's meters per second. So you just do that, submit all, and finish. And now I've seen you in Zoom, so I'm going to give you attendance, and this is just your attendance points for the day, okay? The second thing that you will do is right here. Now these lessons are going to be structured in a similar way each day. If you look at this first one, there's basically 3 questions. Some of them might be longer as we get further in. But I really want you to be reading what these things say on each lesson question. So it says, today we're going to learn about the electromagnetic spectrum. This is for Monday, today. You have 3 things to do to finish this lesson. Please do them in order to make it easy on yourself. So each day, you're going to have something to learn, something to practice, and then something to do. For day one, you're going to be watching this video that I made of notes. These are the notes that I actually took. So I do expect you to keep a notebook, even though I will not be collecting it. It's mostly to help you. You're going to use those notes on future activities. And then when you're done watching the video and taking the notes, you can answer these 3 questions, and then you go to the practice page. So this was the learning page. Here's the practice page. Again, you got to read. It says, good job finishing the learn part. This is the practice part. So this part, it says, please use the Quizlet link below to do the following 3 things. The first one is flashcards. So if you click on this link right here, you go to the flashcards, you're going to use these flashcards to learn the vocabulary words for the day. Here they are. Okay? That was the first thing. And it asks you to write them down and make flashcards. The second thing, same Quizlet, but now you go back and you click on the Learn link. So if you go right here, click on Learn, there's another activity that you have to complete using those same vocabulary words. Then you go back when you're done. The last thing it says is to take this practice test. Now this is all quick and pretty easy. If you've used Quizlet before, you know what I'm talking about, but this stuff shouldn't take you very, very long. Maybe 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. The test that I'm talking about for this Quizlet is right here. It's a short answer matching and multiple choice quiz. Again, it's not intended to take you a very long time, just to give you some practice. And then again, you answer these couple questions at the bottom and you go to the last page. Now on day one, the last page is just a bunch of questions. It says right here, learning check, do these and you are done. So I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 question parts. There's 3 different things down here at the bottom. These are all multiple choice. It'll take you a little while, but again, none of this is intended to take you a very long time. So for today, day 1, you got to do your attendance quiz and you got to do your light and optics lesson. And then that's it. You won't see anything open up over here until that day. So we're just doing a day at a time. It's supposed to be nice and simple, and we'll get into a little bit more as we progress. Thanks for checking in. This is your attendance video. You're watching it because you clicked right here, and it's going to be embedded in this lesson today. So by now, you should be able to answer the question at the attendance quiz and get started on the lesson.